Hey, what's up? Chiang here.
C++ is a popular general programming language and it is also one of most used language in game development. It was developed based on C language and used in development of operating system, apps, and games. Before we going to start our lesson, we need to have an IDE such as Visual Studio, so we can write C++ code and compile our code into executable file in order to run. If you haven't installed them, some download link and tutorial is provided in comment section. Alright, now we are going to write our first C++ program. I'm gonna use Visual Studio to write our first C++ program. Now we need to create a new empty project. We can choose the location to store the project. Alright, then we need to create a source.cpp and we're gonna to write our code here. Include IO stream. This statement is used to include a header file called IO stream, so we can use some basic function in this file such as input and output. int main. This function is required for every C++ program as our program will always starting from main function. cout means character output in C++. It is used to output content in C++ and this function is defined in IOStream library. And std means it is from the std namespace. cout is used together with this symbol. It is insertion operator to display the text. We can use NL or \n to insert new line. Return 0 used to end the function. By clicking the Run button, Visual Studio will compile the program and execute it. Alright, Hello World is displayed here, so now we can try to add more content. Now we try to remove include IO stream and run it again. Yeah, we can see error shown because cout function is provided by IOStream library. Thank you for watching.